In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem an Amazon gift card and use your gift card balance to buy stuff. Let's dive right into it so you can start making the most out of those thoughtful gifts. To begin, open up your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Once you're on their homepage, you'll want to find the sign in button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to sign into your Amazon account. Enter your email address and click continue. After that, you'll need to enter your password. Make sure it's correct, then click on the sign in button. Great, you've logged into your account. Now, let's get to your dashboard where we can manage everything. Hover over the account and lists menu, which you'll find under your name in the top right corner. A drop down menu will appear. From here, click on account. This will take you to a new page where a bunch of options will be laid out for you. Scroll a bit until you see gift cards. Click on this option and you'll find yourself on the gift cards page. Here you have the opportunity to view your current gift card balance or redeem a new gift card. To redeem your card, click on redeem a gift card. You'll need the code from your physical or digital gift card handy, so make sure you have that at the ready. In the provided field, carefully enter your gift card code. Double check for any typos, as the process won't work with an incorrect code. Once you're sure it's correct, click on apply to balance. This step deposits the amount into your Amazon gift card balance, allowing it to be used for future purchases. Now that your balance has been updated, let's put it to good use. Navigate back to the Amazon store by clicking on the Amazon logo. Browse around and select an item you'd like to purchase by clicking on it. Once you've chosen something, click add to cart. This moves the selected item into your virtual basket. When you're ready to make the purchase, click proceed to checkout. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your purchase. During the checkout process, Amazon will automatically apply your gift card balance to the total cost of your order. If your gift card balance is not enough to cover the full price of your order, don't worry, you can choose a credit card, debit card, or other available payment methods to pay the difference. And there you have it. You've successfully redeemed an Amazon gift card and used your gift card balance toward a purchase. Now that you know how to do it, you can enjoy your shopping experience on Amazon. Happy shopping!